Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about e to the power of ln a equals to capital A. So capital A, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. ln A to the power of B equals to B ln A. So if we look carefully about this one, we can transform this one into this one. Now I can put the limit going here. So we just concentrate about this one only. Next, about cotx, we can put into the denominator, and you got about tan x because we have the formula in here. So when x approaches to number 0, this one you got about 0. ln number 1, we have number 0. Tan of number 0, you got about 0. So we have 0 over 0. And we can use about L hospital. So we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 2 over 2x plus 1 after we do first the derivative of ln of 2x plus 1. First the derivative of tan x, we have secant of x squared. Now we can put number 0 going here and here. Secant of number 0, we have number 1. This one you got about 0, so we have number 2. Now we go back in here. So the limit of this one, we have number 2. So we have e to the power of 2. So the final answer of this one, that is about e to the power of 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.